Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best electric bike under $1,500. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, FIDO. Model number, D11. The FIDO D11 S modular design has a 36-volt 11.6 ampere-hour 417 watt-hour removable battery which allows for longer distance to be traveled and is convenient to replace the battery. 11.6 ampere-hour lithium battery allows 40 to 50 km range in pure electric mode, 80 to 100 km range by power assist mode. Hidden in the 20-inch rear wheel is the 250-watt brushless gear motor, which boasts compact size and lightweight to provide greater torque for climbing slopes with lower energy consumption. Foldable design makes it extremely portable, ideal for traveling for urban commuting, shorter travels, daily errands and for so much more. The design also allows it to be extremely portable. FIDO D11 comprises of some of the best-in-class head and tail lights, making it one of the most comfortable rides while riding during the nights. Equipped with Shimano 7-speed gear and chain, you can cycle with different speeds. Take in the scenery and enjoy the ride with effortless performance. The battery is concealed in seat tube, making it nearly tantamount to an ordinary bicycle at first glance. Nevertheless, the range can still reach 100 km under the electric moped mode despite being so compact. Furthermore, the battery is removable, meaning that you may get it powered anywhere at any time. The main body is made of high-strength aluminum alloy, light, no rust, and the front fork is made of magnesium alloy. Efficient disc brake in both front and rear wheels for safer braking and riding. Collapsible for easy storage and transport. Fully adjustable seat and handlebar allow users to adjust it to their preference. Thus, riders with different physiques can adjust the seat and the handlebar to their liking. Number 4. Brand name, Hemo. Model number, Z20. The removable battery is equipped with 10 ampere-hour of power for lasting energy output and the ability to ride 50 miles or 80 kilometers on one charge. It's convenient to bring home or office to recharge, travel freely from the city to the countryside and beyond. The 250-watt brushless geared rear hub motor will provide solid assistance on all but the steepest of hills. Hemo Z20 S and seat air pump travels everywhere with you, so your tires will always be in tip-top shape. Bike and assisted bicycle and bike. With the LCD smart meter button, you can select 3 speed modes of bike, assisted bicycle and bike. Not only you can add a burst of speed to avoid heavy traffic, but also choose to turn off the power to enjoy the fun of normal bike. Z20 S deliberate compact design allows for easy folding, storage, and transportability. Z20 S innovative built-in battery box is closely connected to the body for space efficiency. Number 3. Brand name, ChangMilo. Model number, MX21. 20 into 4.0-inch grease tires are wear-resistant and not easy to burst. The wheel granules are thickened, non-slip and have good drainage. 100% aluminum folding frame for quick folding and easy storage. Equipped with multifunctional LCD display, so you can check the riding data more conveniently, such as speed, battery level, odometer and so on. You can also switch the pedal assist level according to the road condition. 3 riding modes, by full electric, by pedal assist mode and by yourself. You can choose the pure electric mode to enjoy a relaxing time and also can use it for exercising. It's easy to change power levels by pressing the left button under the display panel according to your needs. Hidden aluminum alloy waterproof lithium battery case with anti-theft device allows you to ride safely. 2 charging methods. You can charge the battery in the frame or take it out to charge. Shimano 7 speeds. You can choose any speed to enjoy faster riding time or experience relaxing holiday according to your needs. Double shock absorption front and rear to minimize the impact of cycling. Front and rear disc brake design. Shorter braking distance and shorter response time improve driving safety. With a 48-volt 12.8 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery and a sturdy 500-watt brushless motor, this electric bike offers everyone a higher speed, more freedom and more fun. Whether you're looking for a faster commute, more efficient training, or improved weekend riding, this affordable ChangMilo e-bike is available on all fronts. Number 2. Brand name, ChangMilo. Model number, MX20. The electric bicycle is equipped with stable 500-watt high-speed brushless motor and removable top-brand lithium battery which can reach 30 to 50 kilometers to 60 to 100 kilometers under ideal condition. Equipped with LCD bike computer, so you can check the riding data more conveniently, such as speed, battery level, odometer and so on. You can also switch the pedal assist level according to the road condition. Adopt aluminum alloy frame and suspension front fork. Front and rear disc brakes effectively reduce the braking distance in an emergency. Bright headlight ensure a good view at night. Ergonomic saddle makes the seat more comfortable and reduces the pressure of sitting for a long time. 3 riding modes, fully electric mode, pedal assist mode and human driving mode. You can switch modes at will. Can be placed at home or taken out, easily and quickly folded in seconds. Ultra convenient, is the perfect carrying tool for school, work, fitness, short distance travel and free time. The electric bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes and a professional Shimano 7-speed drivetrain system. Perfect climbing ability. 48-volt 15 ampere-hour lithium battery. With the protection of the plastic and waterproof case, the battery is hard to damage. Travel distance can be up to 50 to 60 kilometers, and the maximum speed is 40 kilometers per hour in 5-level PS mode. This distance and speed can meet your cycling needs. The LCD screen can monitor the speed, battery usage and distance of the bike ride. Number 1. Brand name, Joe Omar. Model number, JM02S Plus. 48-volt 1000-watt brushless motor. Strong power will add fun to your journey. The maximum speed of the motor is about 40 kilometers per hour and the gradability can reach 35 degrees in common road condition. The aluminum alloy frame is light and strong, and the safe load of this e-bike is up to 180 kilograms. Hydraulic disc brakes make your riding trip safety. 26 into 4.0-inch fat tires can strengthen friction of the road surface, making driving more stable to suit all road conditions such as snow, road, beach and MTB mountain. The strong high-strength aluminum alloy suspension fork and 21-speed shift system can give you a comfortable and safety ride. The key component is waterproof and the power will automatically be cut off when braking. Electric bikes have a complete LED lighting system to keep you in the light and keep you safe. It is easy to assemble. Some even call this e-mountain bike a monster of a bike because of its heavy 4.0 fat tires and electric mountain bike design. The battery is additionally protected from water sources and damages and can be removed from the frame. You can charge it easily while on the bike or outside the bike. The full charge will take 5 to 7 hours.